If you think you need to spend over $50 or $100 on a makeup look, you're wrong. I'm gonna be showing you guys an easy, simple makeup look that anyone can do to start off 2026, and you could even use it afterwards, but stay tuned to find out what products you can use. Okay, so we're gonna be putting on our little headband, little giraffe one I got. It was supposed to be a gift, but I never gifted it, so I just kept it. Anyways, let's see what we got on our little studio. We're gonna go in with the primer. I don't want to mess anything up, but yeah, this is the AOA Studio Aqua Hydrating Face Primer, and I got this from Miss A. I think it just squirted in my eye. You're gonna apply it all over the face and rub it out. All over. I forgot to go get my mirror. I'll be right back. We're back. This is my little mirror. I don't even know where to put it. I don't have space on my desk. I have so much stuff. I cleared it and it's cluttered again. Anyways, I'm going in. I'm gonna put this is the eye primer, also from AOA Studio, from Miss A. It's also in my Miss A video, so you want to go see the review on it, my first impression review. Please go check out that video. And I'm just using my hands to blend this out as well, just to have it prepped for when I do eye makeup. And then, oh, I did forget. I always forget my powder foundation. Anyways, before anything else, we're gonna apply this L'Oreal Lumi Lotion. It says you can apply it before or after, but I'm doing it before. I have two. This is a medium tone and this is a light tone. And technically, I got it as a collab, so it was free for me. But it's not that expensive. I think my mom has bought it before from Walmart, and it's pretty inexpensive. And I'm just like also rubbing and blending it out with my hand. Ignore the pimple over here. I'm currently using some acne lotion that I have, but I apply it more when I go to sleep, so I won't have to touch my face. I'll be right back again because I gotta go get my powder foundation before we start with the foundation. And we are back. So we're on the, nope, we're actually on the concealer. See, I'm a little slow. This is the AOA Studio Flawless Liquid Concealer, and we're not gonna apply too much, just like under the eye. And normally I apply it on the imperfections, but I don't want to put too much on the pimple. Well, I guess we can do it for this video just because we gotta look pretty. And if you have any other imperfections, you can also put some concealer on there. And I'm just gonna go in with my brush and blend it out. Oh my god, the primer, the eye primer did not blend out, so I'm also blending that out. Okay, now the pimple is not as noticeable, but yeah. Then we're going in with the Clinique Hydrating and Repair Makeup. It's like a BB cream, but it was $10 and I got it from TJ Maxx. It has a little seal on it still, but yeah, it was on clearance. But this is how it looks, and I'm in the shade Fair, CN20 Fair. It's more like a BB cream, but I use it like on everyday occasions, or if I'm not going out anywhere special. This is my go-to foundation BB cream. So we're just blending it out with the brush. This is kind of a fat brush, but make sure you're blending it out all the way. Don't want to see no creases. Usually I do eye makeup before anything like on the face, but I'm out of order right now. But now I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow powder foundation. It's kind of broken, so just gonna apply a little bit, just kind of to set it, you know, as long as it feels like I'm doing something, it's good. Next we have the bronzer or contour. I actually have a contour and a bronzer, but these, the highlight, blush, and contour is from Miss A. But if you don't want to use contour, you can also use a bronzer. This one is from Dollar Tree, and it's pretty decent. It's not the best, but you know, what do you expect for a product that's $1? But yeah, I'm gonna be using the contour palette. Gonna get my blush brush, well, the angled blush brush. Gonna do the contour first, because you want it to look natural todavía, like apply some up here, kind of blend it out so it runs into each other. Anyways, we're going with the highlight. If I can open it. Put it on the nose. We're going in with the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette. This is how she looks. I got this as a gift, so technically it was free. I did not spend a penny on it. And I mean, they're all shades of brown and nudes. So, usually I go with the top row, but today we're going with this middle one. It's a little bit lighter, the brown. Taking the dark brown, putting it in the outer corner. Just, this is low-key how I used to do my makeup in 2016. So, kind of like a throwback. Now we're going with this one. It's called Lace Teddy. It's like a nude color. Put it all over the eyelid. I don't really like this brush. It doesn't apply the color. I was gonna do it anyways, because I prefer applying the eyeshadow with my finger. That's not really much of a difference. Have any eye makeup on. And then it has a little where's my other brush? I had 2 small brushes and I only grabbed one. So where's the other one at? Oh, in my hand. I'm telling you, I'm a little slow today. Okay, so this is a strapless color. It's like a super light cocoa brown. I'm gonna apply a little bit within like the middle area. Honestly, I could apply it over the where I put this one at. Just put it over the whole eyelid. I'm not a professional, so Don't judge. I did say it was gonna be easy, so. You know what I also forgot? My eyeliner. I'll be right back. We're back. This is the LA Colors liquid eyeliner. So we're back applying the eyeliner. I kind of took a little break. I just remembered one product that I did not bring. Again. I'm sorry guys. I'm like unprepared. Like get up in the middle of your routine to go get it. Or if it's not that important, you skip it for the day. No, they're pretty good, I think. Put lashes on. Because I did bring my lashes here. I didn't bring my eyelash curler, but I brought my lashes. You know what? We're going to keep it natural. Put that to the side. Those are from Dollar Tree, by the way. If you want lashes, you can add lashes. The last thing that I'm going to do is a lip stain. This is a Magical Girl lip stain by AOA Studio. But it's not the peel off kind. I guess you could say it's more matte, even though it says lip stain, but it's more like a matte lipstick because it dries and it doesn't rub off unless you use a makeup wipe. So yeah, lip stain but matte lipstick kind of vibes. But yeah, that's the look. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you go like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned for more podcast episodes as well. And los veré en el próximo video.